Hello everyone. Today I have come up with an important use of focus in emergency department, that is LVOT VTI, which is a non-invasive, immediately available tool in ED used for determining fluid responsiveness, diagnosing type of shock, and useful for risk stratification of patient as well. This parameter is used to estimate the changes in stroke volume in real time. Let's see how do we calculate the stroke volume. To calculate the stroke volume, the cross-sectional area of the outflow tract is multiplied by the velocity time integral of flow through it. As you see in this formula, cross-sectional area is calculated using the formula for the area of circle, that is pi r square, where we measure the left ventricle outflow tract diameter and then divide it by 2 and derive the cross-sectional area based on the formula. Or cross-sectional area is given by the scan machine itself. LVOT diameter is measured in the parasternal long axis view. As we get an image like this, the diameter is measured near the aortic annulus at the base of the leaflets in systole. To minimize error, it is important to maximally zoom on the LVOT while measuring its diameter. So this is how we measure. Normally the diameter is 2 cm. Next is that we have to measure the VTI. This is done by placing the LVOT in the pulse wave Doppler mode at the same level where diameter was measured. Then we need to press the freeze button. Then trace the outline of one of the systolic waveforms. Then echo machine will calculate the VTI for you. This part is measured in the 5-chamber view as seen here. In this step, it is important to align the LVOT in parallel to the ultrasound beam to minimize error. We can trace multiple waveforms and average them for accuracy. Normal VTI is between 18 to 22 centimeters. If VTI is low, that is less than 18 centimeter, then passive leg raise test can be done for 1 to 2 minutes. Immediately after that, we can calculate another VTI. If you see a change in more than 10 to 15%, then the patient is likely a fluid responder. The limitation of this LVOT VTI is it requires practice and VTI is not accurate in aortic pathology. Arrhythmia also can affect the accuracy. So hope this was useful. Thank you.